Hi, Jenny here. Today I just want to talk about 2 simple ways on how to connect with nature and Qi. In Feng Shui, we talk about Qi quite a lot. So what is Qi? Qi is the breath of life, or sometimes it's called innate energy. It's the energy of our soul. And sometimes in this day and age, when there's so much technology, our Qi gets depleted and we need to connect with nature again, so we can fill our body with Qi. So a simple way is to walk through the forest. In Japan, they call it Shinrin-ryoku. So what they do is they just walk through the forest, and just through osmosis, your body absorbs all the energy from the trees and the rocks and the soil. If you don't have a forest nearby, it doesn't matter. Anywhere where there's a lot of trees and the air is clean, that's what you have to look for. If you don't have that kind of environment, another way to do it is to walk barefoot. Some of you are lucky that live in warm country where you can walk barefoot in the sand or on the grass or even on the soil. Those are good ways to absorb Qi of the earth into your body to replenish your energy. Also, it's good to walk barefoot within your home. It stimulates all those pressure points on your foot that affect all your organs. So those are 2 ways. One is to walk in nature, breathe all the good energy in, and the other way is to absorb it through your feet and walk barefoot. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.